Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick video and give everyone kind of a tour of the floor space that I'm working with to help clients. So this is my current space I'm working out of. It is my home, but I've got a chair here, that's my chair in the middle, and another chair there. I'm going to be working with two clients today to help them stop smoking. I have a nice little salt lamp going over there. Facing this other direction here is my client intake couch. As you can see here, this is where they'll sit and begin to talk to me and kind of explain what's going on. Got another salt lamp going behind them there as well. Since I'm doing two sessions or two clients at the same time, I don't use this chair, but if it was a solo session, this is my single chair hypnosis session for people if they come in and visit me. But yeah, this is my home. And I'm welcoming people into it to figure out what's going on with their lives and help them adjust things. I do have a hallway with some fun stuff too, so we'll kind of look at that. So you can kind of see what it looks like coming through the door, so you're not surprised by anything. So I've got these little shelves here with all these fun decorations. That back there is my Egyptian shelf, and you can see Anubis working on someone. Fun stuff. I picked that up actually in Egypt. Let's see if we can get a better look at some of this stuff. Yeah. So yeah, that's my Egyptian shelf. I've got Thoth up there, a couple pyramids. And then I've got this Viking shelf that I picked up in Norway with some war horns, a helmet, and some flags. But yeah, I picked most of that up in Norway. But yeah, this is what you would see coming through this door. You'd walk through the hallway, and I would have you come in and sit right down here on this couch, and we would have a little discussion and talk about what's going on in your life. From there, if this was a solo session, you would end up in this chair where the hypnosis begins. So nice and simple, quaint, comfortable, cozy. Like I said, this is my house, so there's my kitchen. You will see that as well. I do my best to keep it as clean as possible when I'm seeing clients and trying to make it look as nice and comfortable as possible, because it is an intimate experience being in someone's home. I feel like I'm bringing you into my life so that I can help you adjust what needs to be changed in your life and get you to your desired state. So look forward to working with all you guys. Thanks for checking this out, and I will see you later. Take care. Thank you guys for watching that video. I'm Levi Gann with Swift Hypnosis, and I appreciate all the support that you guys have given me so far. If you would like to click the subscribe button to be notified when more videos get uploaded, just click it right down there. Click the like button on this video as well. I'll be doing more tools for anxiety, showing more live demos, and continuing forward trying to push quality content out to everyone. So, like, subscribe, continue following along, watch these videos here or here, and thank you so much. Take care.